Hello, I will review Accusize Industrial Tools BXA6PC Wedge Type Quick Change Tool Post Set for Lathe Swing 10-15 inches. About item. Quick Change Tool Post Set, USA Style, Wedge Type Tool Post Set, 6 PCs, set. Please be aware, the bottom plate of the tool post may need extra machining to fit your lathe. Each set consists of one wedge type tool post and one of each of 5 tools holders. Style 1, boring and facing. Style 2, boring turning and facing. Style 4, boring, heavy duty. Style 7, universal parting blades. Style 10, knurling, facing and turning. Made of steel, the Rockwell hardness of the tool post is HRC 40-45. The Rockwell hardness of the tool holder is HRC 44. Thanks for watching. Get details, best price and discount for this product by link in description.